Hi everyone, this is Mingzhao, Carol, Scott, and Vanessa. Today we would like to talk to you all about our final project for class Info 474, Data Visualization. Our main topic is on H-1B. Now Carol will talk to us about what H-1B is.
The U.S. H-1B visa is a non-immigrant visa that allows U.S. companies to employ graduate-level workers in specialty occupations that require theoretical or technical expertise in specialized fields, such as in IT, finance, accounting, architecture, engineering, mathematics, science. For foreigners, acquiring an H-1B visa is the only way of allowing them to work in the U.S. legally.
Our main question is, what are the factors that impact the chance of one acquiring an H-1B visa? Why do we choose this topic? Since our group members are all international students, we think that H-1B is very relevant to our future career. In our opinion, being able to know the past history of H-1B petition would not only inform international students of their potential chance of working in the United States, but also help direct their future career choices.
To explore our research question, our group picked a dataset from Kaggle. This dataset collects almost all H-1B petitions from 2011 to 2016. We have chosen this dataset as it provides tons of important variables that will help us analyze this problem. So those datasets include each H-1B status, whether it's certificate or it's denied, the employer that sponsored this visa, and applicant's job title and its salaries. Moreover, it also satisfies the project's requirement. It includes the latitudes and the longitude variables.
The first factor that we wish to explore is location. Specifically, we would like to know how the number of H-1B visa applications varied in different states and cities. To answer this question, we used D3 to create an interactive map that summarizes the total number of H-1B visa petitions at the state scale. By clicking play or dragging the slider, they will then be able to see the number of H-1B filing change from 2011 to 2016. Moreover, when users click on single state, he or she will be able to explore the number of H-1B that companies within that state file. Each company is represented by the purple circle, where the size of the circle represents the number of H-1B they file. Larger the circle, more H-1B they files.
We need to explore the companies that successfully sponsored most H-1B visas from 2011 to 2016, and the functions include that, like you see here, that this records like the number of successful H-1B visas of each companies. And if you click the year here, you will see each company's data in specific year. Like here it's 2016, and we can see that Infosys sponsored the most number of successful H-1Bs. If we hover our mouse around specific companies, like for example, here is Microsoft, we will see the general trend of successful H-1B visas from 2011 to 2016. And we find out almost for each companies that the number of successful H-1Bs are increasing.
The third factor we want to explore is salary. We used a line plot to show the average salary by year, filtered by case status. Each line is also assigned different colors based on the status. We can see that the average salary is generally increasing over the years, and the line of certified is always higher than denied for about 5K. There are also two special cases of pending and rejected. When we hover over the points, we can see a box and whisker plot of the salary in the given year and given status, so we can see the quantiles of salaries to get a better idea of the distribution instead of just the average.
Last but not least, to explore factors may influence the application of H-1B visa, we cannot ignore the job title of applicants. What is the job title related to the most H-1B visa applications? The answer to this question help us figure out people under which job title needs an H-1B visa the most. and the companies tend to help employees under which department to acquire an H-1B visa. We use a pie chart to show the percentage of different job titles versus the number of applications. And by exploring the visuals, it clearly shows that people taking technical jobs such as software engineering, developers, programmers are more likely to apply for an H-1B. And we also implement a filter to choose the year you want to explore. You can see the different results by selecting a specific year or year range. Also, by clicking each section on pie chart, we can see another visualization in tooltip indicating that if the position is full-time or not. For most positions here, we can see people who are applying for H-1B are doing full-time jobs.
Using the dataset and data visualizations, we successfully explored 4 factors: location, company, job title, and salary. California, Texas, New York, and Washington end up having a significant larger amount of successful filing comparing to other states. After analyzing distributions within a single state, we found out that the size of the company strongly correlated with the number of H-1B they could and will file. Moreover, from 2011 to 2015, Infosys TATA Consultancy has been the top 2 companies that sponsor H-1B. In fact, most of the companies has shown an increasing trend for sponsoring more and more H-1B visa. Salary-wise, we found out that there is a strong positive correlation between certified petitions and average salary. On the opposite side, lower average salary correlates with the denied petitions. In response to the job titles, our data visualization clearly shows that people who are taking technical jobs such as developers are more likely to be certified for H-1B. Thank you for listening, and feel free to send us emails to address follow-up questions.